What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. That's right, man. Do your own research. I'll just be going over some trades that I took today. Back in the grind, man. Back to the screens, and I'm gonna be talking about why I took this trade. So, as you know, they got they'll be talking about the debt ceiling today for about an hour, and then they go to lunch, and then they come back, um, and they finish discussions, the Fed speaking and all that whatnot. But so today could be very volatile. We could see a major push back up. We could see a nice sell off in the market. But we're gonna just go to these trades that I took, and we're gonna be talking about why I took these trades. So overnight session was pretty flat. This is where prices opened right in this area. So I was just managing this range, this tiny range that we have from the highs to the lows. And I figured we were ranged because of the strong push up. Usually we have a push, then a range phase. So we got price action stalling up here at 420.7. And if you kind of zoom out, you can see on a bigger time frame where they're at. So they're in the middle of this gap usually, which causes some type of resistance. So if we see a rejection candle finishing here for the day, we could potentially see a push all the way back down to this 416, 415 level for a retest of this area. We could actually see a retest of um, this zone down here from 414 to 413. We never came back and tested that, and we broke straight out of that range. So usually the breakouts uh, usually fail. So we'll see what happens by the end of the day with this daily candle. If we have a big bearish bar with volume, we could see a push back down into this range area because this would be a fail breakout, trapping in all the longs, everybody that went long above this candle. And we got a gap to fill all the way back down here at 406, 407 area. So that would be a huge decline, but it would bring us back to these moving averages where everything is pretty much centered around this 4,000 level is where a fair value price could be for this S&P market. So as you know, we're overextended, but especially on the Qs, we're overextended. So this is the SPX chart. So I just kind of use it in Confluence today for taking my trades, different time frames. So here we go. So back to the range. So this is the range that we consolidated in. So we had a nice push up, then a fall down, and we came up to this area. So we got multiple tests here, and we never came back to test these lows, these overnight lows, which is down here at 419. So once they consolidated and pushed up to these highs, this is where I'm expecting price to go. So this was the trade that I took. This was about, what time was this? Yeah, they broke down about a little after 10. So like 10:03 was my trade. So we got resistance up here, strong bearish push down, then we got a bounce. And we got a retest of this area, and then we got a second entry to go long. So we got once, we got a twice, triple top, lower high, rejection bar. I'm just looking for a break beneath this inside bar, and that's exactly what they did. Huge candle push down. It happened so fast. I wasn't even able to take profits. So they pushed back up again. So I just held this basically through this move, and we came back down, and I was able to get out here. But I did not catch this move on the first trade. So once they push up, I took profits, and then they came back and they gave another entry on this. I'm looking for a break of these lows right here, and this was my final trade. Um, I will be posting this in the Discord. So these are my trades for the day, um, down to these lows. So pretty much good day. Not too much action. I hate days like this. I absolutely hate days like this because this is nothing you should be trading. This is nonsense. So once we get a push down, though, you should get some volatility for the day. We should be getting a nice downtrend for the day, man. So if we develop a downtrend, look at this huge volume coming in during this speech that they're talking. Who knows which direction they're going to go in the end, but they did have some great trades here in this trend. So we got a trend down. Then we got a second time trying to retest this zone, the bottom of the range. Beautiful entry. You could have scalped, but I really like this second entry. Um, I don't like it at the lows, but this is a good trade. Um, Up here, break beneath this bar, two-legged correction. I don't know what's gonna happen with this. They did take out these lows, so we could continue to see a push down, or we could see some retracement. I don't know, but I do like this downtrend. Series of lower highs, beautiful entries you could have took. Boom, nice trade. And we got another lower high at the lows. I wouldn't be taking this trade, but the bearish movement is so strong at this point. You could have took that and possibly scalped. Um, we're gonna kind of zoom out and see where the targets, what possible targets they could have, because they are aggressively pushing down now. Big bearish candle. So the first target would be around this 417, 417 area, 417.5, and then we got another target all the way down here. So let's see if they come down and retest this area. Who knows, man? They're just aggressively pushing down at this point. Strong bearish momentum. Nothing but bearish bars. High volume coming in. Wow. Beautiful move. Yep. So, man, look forward to seeing what this daily is looking like at the end of the day, man. We'll kind of go over it um, Monday and to see where this market could be going, man, because this looks like major rejection. Also, I need a break beneath this level to have a failed breakout on this entire move. So we'll see what happens Monday, man, and I keep you guys posted, man. Hit like and subscribe for me. I did post